Hi guys, today I'm going to be making an experiment that's called regulating airspeed and flying a ball. And this experiment is from Epic Circuit Science Kit. Okay. And the materials are a power block, 3 wires, a tunnel, a dial switch, a multi-functioning module, and a ball. So first, you're gonna wanna put one of the wires in the positive side of the power block. Then you're gonna wanna attach your dial switch to the wire. Then you're gonna wanna attach another wire to the negative side of the power switch. And then you want to put the power switch, you want to connect the power switch to the multifunctioning module. And then once you've done that, you want to connect your last wire to the dial switch and then to the multifunctioning module, just like this. Now you're going to want to attach the tunnel to your multifunctioning module, like this. And then you're going to want to turn up the dial switch a little bit near to the max, like this. And then you're gonna wanna hold the ball 4 inches above the tunnel. So about right here. So I'm gonna let it go in 3, 2, 1. So let's make it a little bit lower. No! This is what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.